Hey Midway Mayhem fans, this is Nelson and we are checking in today from Six Flags over Georgia to see Gotham City. We're going to be checking out the new rides for this year, along with seeing everything that the park is doing for Gotham City. Let's go! So here is the 2020 Six Flags over Georgia park map. We can see new in 2020, Catwoman Whip, Poison Ivy, Toxic Spin. And we can see, of course, Batman the Ride. The Riddler Mindbender, it's the new name. We got Super Villain Swing, and we got Harley Quinn Wild Whirl. So we got a couple little changes. And then it says down here, new Gotham City. And it shows the minimum height requirements. Looks good. Kind of a neat little photo op. They usually have different things throughout the year, and since Gotham City is now reopened, they have this. Hello, Gotham City, and we have a brand new sign here for the entrance. I'm excited. Let's go check this out. DC Super Villain Swing, new sign there. Of course, the show building is still here. Use it for Fright Fest. And here we can see the Riddler Mindbender, brand new sign, and the all new Poison Ivy Toxic Spin. Not a bad wait at all, especially for the opening day. Let's take a look at Mindbender. So right away we can see brand new sign, brand new name, brand new look, coming in 2021. Now, as we can see, some new track leading all the way into the station. Looks great. For the restaurant in the park to pick up the entrees, desserts, refills, and everything, it is now called the Birds of Prey Cafe. Definitely a new entrance sign. Now, we will not be riding Harley Quinn Wild Whirl today, strictly because it's not necessarily a new ride per se. It's just open for the first time in a little while, and it has a new name, but we won't be riding it. But we know it's a solid ride. Catwoman Whip, formerly at the entrance of Batman. Batman entrance is now here, next to Harley Quinn. The entrance is here, has a new sign. There's a stroller drop-off area right here. And it goes straight into the tunnels. And here goes Catwoman Whip. Again, this was right at the old entrance for Batman the Ride. Here's the queue line for Catwoman Whip. Although there is no shade, it does offer an amazing view of Batman. Catwoman Whip is all done, and I gotta say, it's a good ride. Is it my favorite in the park? No. Am I glad that they have it? Yes, absolutely. I think it's a good addition for the park, and it's a good addition for Gotham City. It's another ride that they didn't have. It's another thing to fill in the slot of attractions at this park. But what did you guys think?
It was pretty fun.
It was exciting, but I am very dizzy.
Yeah, it definitely makes you dizzy. Honestly, my favorite part is probably just the laterals rather than the inversions. But you do get a lot of G-forces on that ride. So if you're looking for G-forces on a flat ride, I'd come to Catwoman Whip, but it's time to go to the next one. And on a scale of 1 to 10, I would probably give Catwoman Whip an 8.5 out of 10. Again, it's not my favorite ride in the world, but it is really fun, and I definitely recommend you try it. Catwoman Whip is all done, all in all a solid ride. Now it's time to go on Poison Ivy Toxic Spin, formerly the location of the Batmobile. Let's see how it is. Poison Ivy Toxic Spin is now done. That was a fun ride. It's just, you know, of course you get on it, you ride it, you have a good time. There's not really anything amazing to it, but as far as the ride goes, you know, you can find this at a lot of parks, but it's still really enjoyable. What did you guys think?
I liked it. It's shorter than Catwoman, but it is fun to still ride.
Yeah.
Still dizzy, but it was good.
Still dizzy.
Yeah.
A good ride. I'd say it's probably like a 7 out of 10 as far as flat rides go. Still really fun, and that's the new rides here at Gotham City. Super Villain Swing, a great attraction. We will not be doing it today, but again, an awesome attraction. Always a bunch of fun, and it looks amazing. Gotham City Gifts looks very nice. It's been completely remodeled, and we got Batman right here at the entrance. Take a look at that. Looks really modern in here. Got some good flooring. And there's a Batman statue that you're greeted with right away. Smells good. Smells like a fresh coat of paint in here. Got some good merchandise. Got drinks. Got some coaster candy. Looks good. Looks well organized. You can see a little Gotham City skyline at the top. Pretty cool. Wonder Woman bears, Wonder Woman shirts, hoodies, cups. You can get your Six Flags bottles here. We got capes, sunglasses, magnets. They got Green Lantern. They got the Commissioner. Some nice little toys there. You got Six Flags member bags. Those look really nice. Moving on, they have some necklaces, bracelets, more bracelets, necklaces, bracelets, hoodies, mugs. Again, everything looks pretty good in here. Bottle insulators. It all looks good. More shirts. Wayne Industries mug with Six Flags in the middle. Looking really good. They also have Aquaman, Six Flags Over Georgia. I would take note of that, seeing our little friend Splashwater Falls is still here. I would take special note of that one. That's kind of interesting. More Aquaman merchandise down there. Got the Flash. And we still have the drop-off from the Batman leading into this gift shop. Last bit, got some nice Batman merch. Looks great in here. Now, this entire portion right here does appear to be completely new track. It's really nice. Of course, we can see more track up here. Of course, the Mindbender photos are covered up at the moment, given that the ride is closed. We can see a lot of construction happening over there, including some track. I can see the trains over there completely off.
Six Flags policy must have a mask on at all times in order to ride. Once again, new Six Flags policy must have a mask on at all times in order to ride.
Well guys, that is all for the new Gotham City, and all in all, I think it is a really good upgrade. I like having the new attractions. I would love to see the Batmobile here again, and I would love for a little more covering or air conditioning or some sort of breeze or air in the area, because it does get quite warm whenever it's hot outside. So those are the only improvements I think could be made. But all in all, I think everything done is really, really good. Six Flags Over Georgia, you did a great job, and I'm looking forward to coming back when the Riddler Mindbender reopens. And if you like what we do, make sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.